Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's tutorial I'll be showing you how you can make low voice in KineMaster. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have already created a project in my KineMaster and I have added my recorded audio as well. This is my recorded audio, and before we make low voice on this audio, let's just listen to the original audio first. So I'm going to play the video to show you. Okay, and this is the original audio. And if you want to make a low voice effect, we just need to tap on the audio like this until this option appear on your screen, and then you're going to select the voice changer and just scroll down. And once you find the man voice changer, you can tap on it. This one. Okay. Alright, and this is the low voice effect. Alright guys, and that's how basically we can make low voice effect in KineMaster. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next tutorial.